Hello everyone, myself Ankit Chaudhary from CS5, and today I am going to talk about tuples, the nested edition. We will diving into what tuples are, how they work, and how nesting adds power to their uses in Python. So first let's start simple. Imagine a tuple like a super organized container. Once you put things in and you seal it, tuples are immutable, which means you cannot change their content after creation. Today we will go one level deeper into something called nesting, where we place tuples inside other tuples in containers inside containers. So what is tuples? Tuples is just like a list, but you cannot change it after it created. That's what makes it immutable. To create one, we use parentheses. For example, my tuple one hello 3.14. This tuple, which is an integer, which is combination of an integer, float, all grouped and locked in. Creating an empty tuple. Sometimes you may want to start with an empty tuple, just like preparing a empty box. A syntax is simple. Empty box is equal to round bracket. Even through it empty at first, it can be useful as a placeholder or in a function to accessing terms in a tuple. Now how do we get stuff out of a tuple? Just like tuples are index based string from 0. So for my tuple 1 hello 3.14, my tuple with index 0 gives you 1. We use square brackets to access items, simple and efficient. So nesting tuples, here how it gets cool. Nesting tuples. So we have tuples that contain other tuple, like nested tuple 1 comma 2 and a and b. Nested tuples contain two smaller tuples neatly packed. So it to accessing the nested atom in a nested tuple, we need to dig deeper. So using two sets of brackets. So if we want to get the number 2 from a nested tuples 1 comma 1 2 and a and b, we write nested tuple with index 0 and in second index 1, which is 0. Then from that inner tuple, index 1 gives us 2 and 0, which gives us 1 and 2. So we can access from it. In a real world example, student records. Let's connect it to the real world. We in a real world use case, like suppose we want to store student data, names and marks. We use aliases student alias and grades. So student index 1 gives us the grades of tuples 90, 85 and 92, and 0 pick up the first grade, which is 90. This structure keeps our data clean and accessible. So final conclusion, which is to wrap it up, tuples are perfect for grouping related data. They are more organized and efficient than list. When you don't need to change the data, nesting adds another layer of structure, making them even more complex, more powerful for storing complex information. So thank you for giving me such chance to present myself. Thank you.